welcome to North London. I'm Derek Ray, and ready with his tactics board alongside me is Stuart Robson, my commentary partner. I'm looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It is Tottenham Hotspur, and they take on Southampton.
Thanks, Derek. Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, hitting the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully we get a really good game here.
Well, we're focusing on a player who just seems to get better and better and better, Heung-min Son. Stuart, what sort of performance might he produce?
Well, for me, Derek, his greatest attribute is his ability to combine with teammates, particularly in tight areas, in and around the box, clever little one-twos, little passes round the corner. He's the player that could be key to breaking down this defence.
Able to skip past his man. How did he manage to reach that? Active area for Spurs. Has a go. Oh, marvellous save. Great goalkeeping. Oh, nice ball over the top. And a really good diving stop. Confirming that we'll have one additional minute. Can they forge ahead? They do. And you've got to say they're good value for the lead.
Well, here you can see it again. Good run, great strength and a composed finish under pressure. That's a top-class goal.
So into the second half here, and the onus is on Spurs to turn this match on its head. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Well, he had clearly drifted into an offside position.
Well, you can see from his reaction, he knew that wouldn't count.
Oh, he looks threatening. And delivered towards the back post. And clears the danger. Oh, he's missed, but by a minuscule margin. Son. Good-looking sequence. Not quite the accuracy he was looking for. That'll be a goal kick. Lucas Moura. And players waiting at the far post. Well, they can bring it out now. A routine save. Well, they've won the ball back quickly. Just 10 minutes remaining here. Bodies forward and the break looks on. Well, not the touch on the ball he wanted, and a goal kick to come.
Substitution for Southampton, coming off the pitch.
Let's just clarify the injury situation. Our man on the side of the pitch is Jeff Shreves.
The physio's keeping an eye on him because he took a blow to his upper thigh in that last challenge. Keep an eye on this one.
Cheers, Jeff. Has eyes for goal! Well, it wasn't quite as dangerous as I thought it might be. Referees are rightly praised for giving advantage, but when there is no advantage, it has to be a free kick. Really sitting deep now. That could be problematic. The overall situation doesn't favour Spurs, but they're still in it. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. What about the stoppage time situation? 2 minutes the word. Kane. Putting his body on the line. Denied once more. So the final whistle, and it's a story of defeat for Spurs in this one. What did you make of it all?